Hey everyone, welcome back to RS Computer Solutions. In this video, I'll show you how to join a Windows 11 computer to a domain step by step. Click on the Start menu and search for Settings. Go to System and click About. Under Device Specifications, find Domain or Workgroup. Scroll down to Related Settings and click Domain or Workgroup. In the System Properties window, click Change. Select Domain. Then enter your domain name. Click OK. A prompt will appear asking for administrator credentials. Enter the domain administrator username and password. Click OK. If credentials are correct, you'll see a Welcome to the Domain message. Click OK, then Close. Windows will ask you to restart your computer to apply the changes. Click Restart now. On the login screen, click Other User. Enter your domain username and password. Click Sign In. Windows will configure your profile. This may take a few minutes for prepared domain profile. Now verifying domain connection. Open Settings. Click System then About. Under Domain or Workgroup, you should now see the domain name. And that's it. Your Windows 11 computer is now successfully joined to the domain. If this video helped you, drop a comment below and let me know. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials.